Hey kids, look at all these animals. Let's learn their names together.
Baby whale, pelican,
Walrus, snake, green frog,
bluefish, cuttlefish, crab,
lobster, baby cheetah,
penguin,
baby elephant,
baby seal,
baby lion, scorpion, spider,
zebra,
mother duck,
giraffe,
seal,
octopus,
salmon,
turtle, hippo,
mother duck,
octopus,
salmon,
penguin, zebra,
lobster, seal, green frog, baby elephant, baby lion, snake,
cuttlefish,
baby cheetah,
baby whale, pelican, turtle,
walrus,
baby seal, bluefish, hippo, giraffe,
spider,
Hit the red button to subscribe for more awesome videos.